Good morning, students. Welcome to the SST class. As you know, we have many big cities in India, such as Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and New Delhi. These all cities are known as metropolitan cities. Metropolis means important cities in a country. Now, our today's topic is New Delhi. Before going to start, I want to show you a big picture of this topic. In this topic, we are going to read about the location of New Delhi, history of New Delhi, and the climate of New Delhi. The main objectives of this topic are to learn the importance of National Capital Territory of Delhi, to discuss about the speciality of New Delhi. Now students, let's know about New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital city of India. It is very big and beautiful city. A large crowd of people live in New Delhi. It is divided into two parts, Old Delhi and New Delhi. The Old Delhi is very crowded and famous for its beautiful monuments, whereas the New Delhi has beautiful gardens and parks, and it was built by the British architect Edwin Lutyens. Students, do you know where is the city New Delhi located in India? The city New Delhi is located in the northern part of India, and it is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. It is also known as National Capital Territory of Delhi. It shares its border with Haryana in the north and Uttar Pradesh in the east. Before going to start, I want to discuss some terms of this topic. Number 1, Lu, hot winds. Number 2, customs, some practices being followed for long time. Metro, network of railway system. Monument, structure of historical importance. Now students, open your book at page number 62. Chapter number 12, New Delhi. Now let's start reading. Location. New Delhi is the capital city of India. It is also known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi. New Delhi lies on the banks of the river Yamuna. It shares its border with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Students, underline these lines, and the word capital means the most important city, or in other words, the seat of government. Students, New Delhi is the capital city of India. And where is it situated? It is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. With which states does the city New Delhi share its border? The city New Delhi shares its border with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Students, do you know that where do the President, the Prime Minister and the other ministers of India live? The President, the Prime Minister and other ministers live in New Delhi. Where does the President of India live? The President of India lives in a Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is the official home of the President of our country. The Mughal Garden is also located in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Students, do you know who designed the city New Delhi? The city New Delhi was designed by the British architect Edwin Lutyens. Now let's know about the history of New Delhi. Students, it is believed that Delhi was first founded by Indraprastha and later on it was obtained by the Mughal emperor. The Mughal emperor Shah Jahan made it a beautiful world famous city. Finally, the New Delhi was constructed by the British as the capital city of India. Now come to the reading. History. New Delhi became the capital of India in 1947 after independence. It has played an important role in the history of India. Long ago, people came to live here because of the fertile soil and availability of water. The Mughals and the British came and settled in New Delhi. These people brought with them their language, customs, and art. Students underline the first line and write down the meanings of the words. Important means valuable, fertile, productive, availability, possibility, customs, traditions. Now students tell me, in which year did New Delhi become the capital of India? New Delhi became the capital of India in 1947 after independence. My next question is, name the two empires which came and settled in New Delhi. The two empires which came and settled in New Delhi are the Mughals and the British. Why did people come to live here? People came to live here because of the fertile soil and availability of water. Now let us discuss about the climate of New Delhi. Climate. New Delhi has extreme climate. It is very hot in summer. Hot winds called Lu blow during summer. Dust storms are also common. Winter is very cold. It rains in July, August and September. Students underline extreme means very great in degree. Underline this line, hot winds called Lu. Now students, describe the climate of New Delhi. New Delhi has extreme climate. It is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. What do you mean by Lu? Hot winds are called Lu. In which months does the city New Delhi receive rainfall? The city New Delhi receives rainfall from the month July till September. Students, I hope that you all have understood the discussed topic and your homework is to read this page again and revise terms and do exercise number 1 on page number 65. Thank you.